Good morning. Thank you for being here. My name's Liz. This is Liz Attempts Budgets. Liz Attempts Budgets. And let's go ahead and do some cash stuffing, some savings stuff, some savings funds. And I am kind of excited about this one because some things that haven't been getting done, some things I've been neglecting, are getting some attention today. So let's go ahead, count up, see what we have for our savings this week. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $140 today. And I do have some prop bills. For those of you who do not know how I do my budget, I kind of have a little bit of a hybrid. I do mostly cash savings. However, there is some stuff that I leave in the bank, so I do have prop money to keep track of it within my envelopes. So let's go ahead and get started with my, not that one, with this one, with my Save Ahead binder. I don't think I did the tracker, so I am going to have to do that at the same time. We are 12.21 plus 20, should be 160 in this once we're done. So 120, 40, and 160. Okay, Amazon. This is actually due next month. It'll have to come out of my buffer savings. I know that, but I want to save up a little bit just to help with that. So it is going to be 12.21 plus 20. Things got out of hand this year with the amount of money going out, and the amount coming in did not correlate very well. So I am going to have to make this a huge priority in the next few months as well. It's gonna come due before I know it. 21 plus 6, so that is 32. Okay, so 5 and 6. Let's see if my calculations are right. There's 25, 31, 2, 3, 4. 34. They were not right, so 34. Okay, and I did just pay this a few months ago, so we have a ways to go before it's due again. Summer Utilities is getting money in it this time. And we are adding $10, so that'll be 25. So there it is actually going to be a prop 10. I am restuffing into my savings for that. So 10, 25. Okay, and that is going to be everything in this binder. Moving on to we're gonna put this one back further. We're going to start with this my revolving binder. It has been so neglected. So neglected. So I have my week 2 cash for my wallet already in here. We aren't going to mess with that at all. Okay, so emergency fund is getting, oh, I did that one already. So it is getting emergency fund is getting $10. So there's 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 36 in emergency fund. Like I said, so much stuff went out this year. The pot is pretty thin. So household, we are adding to, I did do that one too. So we are adding $10 in here. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. Gas savings is getting a $5 bill. We are starting over with this envelope. Grocery savings is also getting $5, and that is a new start to that one. Tech is getting $5, and travel is getting $5. And we are done with that binder. We are going to move on. Okay, we're going to move on to this one. We are going to put a $10 bill in here. And there's actually money in the pot or in the savings account for this, so I need to add just a little bit more. Great, so that leaves 10, 20, and 25 in car maintenance. I did pull the cash out of here for the oil change to help cover that. So we are done with this binder, and we are going to move on to this, and we are going to put a little bit more in medical savings. We are going to add $9. So 6, 7, 8, and $9. So we now have $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 in medical costs. Okay, so from that, we are going to my last envelope. We are going to stuff some money into the down payment envelope. And I have already calculated it up. So we are adding 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 25 into down payment. So should be 632. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 5, 6. Oh, I messed it up. So 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, and 3, 632 in down payment. And that is the grand total of what I am stuffing into my envelopes. And that is going to be it for this pay period sinking funds and cash stuffing. So I will see you in the next one. If you see this before New Year's, Happy New Year's. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.